Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to do a walk around and test drive on this 1970 Dodge Charger 500.
We did a ton of work to this one, Dee. Finally, it's ready to go.
Yeah, it's a great looking car. I love the color. And I just decoded the trim tag earlier this week, and the car's almost exactly how it came from the factory.
Nice.
Original Charger 500 came factory with a 383 and 727 automatic. It's got some nice options too. It has, looks like a vintage air, more modern air setup, but this was a factory air conditioning. This is a factory air charger as well. When they installed it, we actually had it installed, you know, more modern kit, but power steering, power brakes.
Motor 383 is completely overhauled. Larry did the motor. Transmission's nice and solid. Engine bay paint is not quite as nice as the exterior paint, but this restoration, as far as the paint and stuff like that goes, is a little older, probably about 5 years. Interior is done probably in the last year or two.
Yeah, and like you said, the engine bay is not perfect, but it's a lot nice. It's nice. Definitely something you can take to a car show, have the hood open, and feel good about.
Yep.
It's not a, you know, there's nothing, not perfect, but nothing wrong with the engine.
Hideaway headlights work great. And I love the blue metallic paint. Just fantastic. Hood gap is excellent from front to back. As you look through here, fitment's excellent in the back as well. Top of the fender, top of the door, cowl, hood, everything lines up beautifully. As far as imperfections as we go around this beautiful Charger, we have a couple. There's a little tiny little chip right here. As far as the front bumpers, all polished, beautiful. The grill's nice. Hideaway headlights work excellent. As we look up and down the sides, very straight. Now these Chargers got huge quarters on them, you know, long fenders.
Yeah.
Gorgeous cars in 1968 to 70. However, they're hard to have a straight one.
Yeah.
You know, with these big body panels. And the way this fits and stuff, I think they did a great job on it. Fender's perfect from top to bottom. Rocker panel's great. The bottom of the door fits nice in here. Just a little smudge right there. Fits really good. There's your quarter panel over the wheel well. Love the black vinyl top as well, but let's check it out all the way around here. No bubbles, blisters, nothing like that. Vinyl top is excellent. Back windows, nice. Back shelf's good. And before you do that, Dee, just want to show how nice and solid this whole panel is right here.
Nice job jamming it as well.
Really nice. Original numbers here. Here's that inside of that package tray. A lot of people, you know, on Chevelles, Mopars, you want to make sure that's nice and solid. That looks good. Trunk's nice. Behind the rear quarter panel and the wheel is excellent. As we look down the sides, nice and straight. Front bumpers, chrome is excellent. Back bumper is great too. It's got the bumper guards back there. Nice dual exhaust tips. Tail lights are nice. Even the trunk lid lines up pretty good. You know, it sticks down just a little here, but out in the sun you can really see that metallic.
It's not often we have a 68 to 70 Charger. It happens that right now we have two of them and they're both blue. A 68 and this is the 70.
Exactly. Paint in the door jambs is excellent. New kick panels, new door panels. It's really nice.
Seats are in good shape.
Yeah, the only thing really it probably could use is the weather strip felt. Well, that's original. And this being a 500 came factory with the buckets and console. That's in excellent shape. All the interior lights work good as far as on the console. Seat back has a few chips on that harder plastic. That's original. The seats themselves are in great shape. Door panels look good. Couple tiny little wrinkles in the original ones in the back, but Very presentable. Dash pad is excellent. Dash itself is in good shape.
It's a real solid car underneath too. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com, check out those undercarriage pictures.
Tiny little chip right here. Love the gas doors on these. Yeah. Driver's side vinyl top is excellent. Just nice and tight, no bubbles under it.
Do a very small.
Yeah, you just pointed that one out.
Perfect.
Back valance is good as it wraps around here. Again, car shows very well. Look up and down the sides, very straight. Magnum 500 wheels, 225/70 14s. A chip in the door right here that needs touched up. Not much for imperfections. Maybe like, what, 3 little chips?
Yeah.
A couple tiny little bubbles right down here. Very front edge of the door. There's one little crack in the paint. Right here. There's your factory VIN, top of the dash. Corner of the door is untouched. Door panels are good, door jamb paint's nice. Here's your corner of the door that had just a little bubble on the outside. See that? The inside's perfect. Doesn't have any issues there at all. Seats are excellent, both front and back, and it looks like they put new cushions and stuff in it. Factory clock works. I'll pass this over to you, D. Now with these, just on these here, you just have to take the key out, you just have to always make sure that it's to the left.
Yeah.
Starts nice and easy.
And then here's your air stuff, so your fan goes up here, and then as you see, your temp here, if it's all the way over to the right, the blue light will come on, and then you're in air conditioning.
Yep, and it works perfect.
Yep. Another thing that works that I thought was really neat is the factory clock.
Yep. Gas gauge works. Temp gauge works. Oil pressure in the dash does not. When Larry rebuilt this motor, he really wanted to check on the oil pressure, make sure everything was great. It's carrying 65 to 70 pounds. It's got a little gauge under here.
Nice.
So great oil pressure. Turn signals in the hood work as well. Both sides. I'll do the right side now. See it? Both works, both sides. Radio delete. Alternator gauge works. Wipers look like they have newer blades on them. They work perfect. Park correctly. Shifter's nice and tight.
I love driving these. They're just, you like all these Mopars, whether it be the Charger or the Coyotes, you kind of feel like you're sitting down in them a little bit. Yeah. They're just a comfortable car to drive.
And you just don't see them.
No.
You know? Everyone loves a 68 to 70 Charger. I mean, such a great design. You know?
Yeah. I didn't know if we'd be able to do a video today. It worked out great. The rain just cleared up, and now we got
finally
bright
stopped.
skies.
Hey, the speedometer works perfect. It's got all new front end parts on it. Here's your brakes. No pull left or right. We just got an alignment on it. All new front end parts. It goes down the road awesome.
It's got a little belt squeal. The guys were supposed to tighten that up. They must have forgot. So we'll get that tightened up.
That must be deaf. I didn't hear it.
I know, your ears aren't the greatest. Yeah, it does.
Larry had this one at his restoration shop for us for probably, what, 6, 7, 8 months?
Yeah.
Did an awesome job.
He did a great job with it.
I mean, look at this. 80 mile an hour, speedometer is perfect. Straight down the road. Yeah. It handles the road awesome.
Yeah, it does. I was impressed when I drove it the other day as well. Sweet. Handles great.
Very nice, tight car. I want to go through the gears a little bit, just show how nice the tranny works. Yeah. Here's your Circuit brakes at high speeds.
Nice.
Feels like it's going all the way down into first too.
Yep.
It's all synchro nice. Just looking out over the hood. I mean, that hood is flat as a pancake along the sides of that fender.
That's nice.
So we're just taking off first gear at a roll, 20 mile an hour.
Nice shift.
Yep, nice shift, 60. Into third at 80.
Nice.
So I think that speedometer is pretty accurate. It says we're doing 72.
Yep.
Probably pretty close.
Oh yeah, for sure. Great car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.